Hello student teachers, welcome to PRB classes. In our teaching aptitude previous videos, we had discussed on the topics like media and newspaper, chapter 1, educative films, chapter 2, chapter 3, science and scientists, chapter 4, mathematics and popular mathematicians. In chapter 5, we had discussed arts, drama and music. Right. So in our today video, we will discuss the teaching aptitude regarding social science. This is unit 6, extracted from NCET NTA website. So this is updated syllabus, don't worry, and we will discuss the subdivisions like of the topic, difficulties that children face in social sciences, details of subject being taught, Nobel and other award winners for creating knowledge such as economics or other fields, and last one will be teachers in history, Buddha, Jain, construction of teachers in Upanishads. So in social science, we will also discuss on Vedas and Upanishads. Right? See, we have already taught your science and scientists, mathematics and mathematicians, art, music, drama, media, newspaper, schools, and this is your unit 6. So let us go one by one. Our first topic will be, is difficulties that children face in social science. Right? We have taken in our question number 1, which of the following is a primary difficulty children face when studying social science? See, the picture shows the answer: democracy, economics, political science. You know, in democracy, no, to the people, by the people, for the people. But now it is not for the people, it is far from the people. Not it is by the people, it is B-U-Y, by the people. Means the political leaders are buying the people. It is too far away from the people. Anyhow, in economics also, your micro, macro, money banking, statistics, Indian economy, inflation, poverty, so many topics. No? So in democracy, economics, history, political science are two complicated subjects. Anyhow, there are 4 options. The subject is less important than math and science. The topics are too practical and hands-on. Option C, the concepts like democracy and economy are abstract and hard to visualize. Option D, the chapters are too short and lack details. The picture is showing the answer. However, we have to click here for the correct answer. The correct answer is option C. The concepts like democracy and economy are abstract and hard to visualize. Let us go to the question number 2. Our question number 2 is, a significant challenge for a social science teacher is dealing with false knowledge. What does this challenge entail? There are 4 options. Option A, correcting students' grammatical errors in their essays. Option B, handling students who bring pre-existing, sometimes incorrect, knowledge about society, culture and religion to the classroom. Option C, preventing students from using the internet for research. Option D, teaching students about scientific falsehoods. Let us click here for the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Means handling students who bring pre-existing, sometimes incorrect knowledge about society, culture and religion to the classroom. Let us go to the question number 3. See, we have taken all these most probable MCQs from the source of NCET, different articles, right, which having maximum chance these questions may appear in your NCET exam. You have to practice all these things. Okay. We will also discuss the previous 3 years question paper, means 2023 question papers, 2024 question papers, 2025 question papers. We will discuss one by one all, so that you must qualify to be a teacher. That's why I called you all the student teachers. What is a common negative perception about social science that poses a challenge for teachers? The same thing, history, civics, political science, economics. Options A, however, options A, it is considered too difficult and complex for young students. Option B, it is seen as less important subject compared to math and science. Option C, it is believed to have so many practical experiments. Option D, it is perceived as a subject when very few career options. Let us click here for right answer. Our correct answer is option B. It is seen as a less important subject compared to math and science. Option 4. The question 4. The sources identify lack of resources as a major challenge for social science teachers. Which resource is specifically mentioned as often unavailable in schools? Means in our Indian classrooms, there is a huge lack in globes, your charts, dedicated social science labs. Teachers come as usual and orally they speak. Option A, standard textbook and notebooks. Option B, globes, charts and dedicated social science labs. Option C, qualified teaching assistants. Option D, government funding for teacher salaries. Let us click here for right answer. Right answer is option B, globes, charts and dedicated social science labs. Our question number 5. Why are controversial topics a particular challenge for social science teachers in a diverse classrooms? See, in Indian classrooms, means from different religious people, like some are Hindus, some are Muslims, some are Christians, some are. That's why India is called unity among diversity. But the whole class consists of so many religious people, so many religious teachers. So 4 options are: option A, these topics are not part of the official curriculum. Option B, students from different religious, regional and cultural backgrounds may have conflicting viewpoints. Option C, there are no textbooks available on controversial issues. Option D, teachers lack the professional training to discuss any topic that is not purely historical. Let us click here for correct answer. The correct answer is option B. What I told you earlier, students from different religious, regional and cultural background may have conflicting viewpoints. Our question number 6, not question number 6, it is para 2. Means in our syllabus, what we discussed in our first slide. This is your para 2, details of subjects being taught. In Indian classes, mathematics is being taught, science is being taught, arts is being taught, languages is being taught, physical education is being taught, yoga, Sanskrit are being taught. So I have taken these slides for your information. Let us go to the question number 6. Social science is described as a multidisciplinary field. Which of the following subjects is not listed as a core discipline taught under social sciences? 4 options. Options A: history and geography, political science and economics, computer science and information technology, sociology and anthropology. See, in Indian classes, in government schools, maybe the private schools also, there is not sufficient equipments of science labs, your IT labs. Let us click here for right answer. The correct answer is option C, computer science and information technology. This is lacking. Our question number 7. In which grades are subjects like sociology and anthropology typically introduced? Sociology, anthropology in higher classes. Okay, there are 4 options. In primary classes, in middle school, in higher classes, they are not part of the school curriculum. The correct answer is option C, in higher classes, sociology and anthropology. Our question number 8. What is the scope of the history discipline within the social science curriculum as mentioned in the sources? There are 4 options. Only modern Indian history, exclusively world history. Option C, ancient, medieval and modern Indian history as well as world history. Only the history of the local state. This is the answer. In picture I have taken ancient, medieval. Okay, anyhow we have to click here. Correct answer is option C, ancient, medieval, modern Indian history. Our para 3 in subdivision 3 of social science. Nobel and other award winners. See, we have the picture. We have taken the picture of Amartya Sen, Abhijit Banerjee. In this is a vast topic actually, but in our 20 questions, we have taken the most probable questions. But you the people have to see. I will give you the free PDF. You comment, I will give you the free PDF. No issue. You will practice. Nobel and other award winners. See, in a classrooms, in blackboard itself, the teacher has mentioned the Nobel Award winners. See, Nobel Award winners from India and abroad also, you have to practice. Okay, our question number 9. For what contribution were Abhijit Banerjee, Esther Duflo and Michael Kremer awarded the Nobel Prize in 2019? There are 4 options. Option A, for their work in welfare economics and social choice theory, for their analysis in the governance of common pool resources, for their experimental approach to elevating global poverty. Option D, for revolutionizing modern macroeconomics. See, there are 4 economics: microeconomics, macroeconomics, money banking and statistics. Normally what the students read in their UG levels. So macro means whole economics. Micro means individual economics. Macro means whole economics, whole world economics, whole your whole country economic, right? This. So the correct answer is option C, for their experimental approach to elevating global poverty. Abhijit Banerjee. You have to remember this Indian gentleman name. Our question number 10. Who was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize in economics, and for what work was she recognized? Very important question. Who was the first woman who got the Nobel Prize in economics? Option A, Esther Duflo for her work on global poverty. Option B, Elinor Ostrom for her analysis of the governance of common and pool resources. Option C, Gargi for her philosophical insights in the Upanishads. Maya Devi for her contribution to Buddhist thoughts. See, our options are also one questions. That's why elaborately I have written the option name. Okay, anyhow, the picture shows the real answer, the right answer. Correct answer is option B. Elinor Ostrom, this lady, got the first Nobel Prize for the work of economics, for the field of economics. Which Indian economist was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1998 for work in welfare economics and social choice theory? The picture is the answer. The picture explains the answer. Indian from Bengal. Anyhow, option A, C. Raj Gopalchari. Option B, C. Subramaniam. Option C, Abhijit Banerjee. Option D, Amartya Sen. Let us click here for the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, Amartya Sen, in the year 1998. See, question will be like this. When Amartya Sen got the Nobel Award, in which year? You have to write 1998. You have to click. This is CBT mode. I will give you the mock test paper also. You will practice. So within 20 minutes, how you will attempt 20 questions from teaching aptitude. 23 questions will be given. You have to answer for 20 questions. 7 topics. Means I am going to give you 140 questions to practice. Apart from that, if you comment, if you need, I will give you the PDF also for practice. See, in para 4, means subdivision 4, teachers in history, Buddha, Jain and Upanishads. Upanishad, Jain and Gautam Buddha. See, how are the pictures? Through pictures you can memorize well. Okay? You can remember the topic, remember the whole things. Anyhow, question number 12. In the story of Kisa Gotami, this is a story from Lord Buddha. How did Buddha teach her about the reality of death? Mrityu Satya, reality of death. See, my dear students, in this world, all are false. Only one thing is truth, that is death. One can guess when this baby will born, but one can, because nobody will tell you when you will die. So all are false. One is truth, that is death. And Buddha, in Kisa Gotami story, Buddha taught the reality of death. Anyhow, 4 options are: by giving her a direct lecture on the impediments of life. Option B, by asking her to bring mustard seeds from a house where no one had ever died, making her realize death is universal. By again, okay, time is going on, means video will be little long. If I will explain all the stories to you, some will complain that video are being long. Anyhow, these are not short videos, cooking video like this. Within a minute, it will be finished. This, that, blah, blah, blah. It will be finished. So these are MCQs. These are teaching topics. So video will be long. No, you have to tolerate. You have to listen. You have to practice. Means जो घर पे कोई भी नहीं मरा होगा उसी घर से सरसों लेके आओ, जैसे बोलते हैं ना. Option C, by performing a miracle to bring her son back to life temporarily, by asking her to meditate under a tree until she gained enlightenment. Anyhow, we have to go to the correct answers. Correct answer is option B, by asking her to bring mustard seeds from a house where no one had ever died, making her realize death is universal. In किस्सा गौतमी दिस इज द समरी. ऐसा घर के जाओ और उस घर से सरसों लाओ जो घर पे कोई मरा ही नहीं होगा. एंड दिस इज द रियलाइज डेथ इज यूनिवर्सल. ऐसा कोई घर ही नहीं है जिसपे कोई मरा ही नहीं होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. व्हाट डज द टर्म Tirthankar in Jainism literally mean? Monk, teacher, follower, king. I think teacher. Let's see. Correct answer is option B, teacher. Tirthankar refers to the teacher. Question will be like that in Jainism teachers are called what? You have to remember Tirthankar. Question number 14. According to the Upanishads, what is the ultimate goal of education? To accumulate facts and external knowledge, to achieve self-realization, understanding the true nature of Atman, to secure a high-paying job, option D, to master religious rituals and ceremonies. Correct answer is option B, to achieve self-realization, understanding the true nature of Atman. Our question number 15. What is the sacred teacher discipline, disciple tradition emphasized in the Upanishad called? I think Guru Shishya Parampara. Dharma Marga, Guru Shishya Parampara, Madhyam Marga, Ratnatarya. Option B, Guru Shishya Parampara. In previously, teachers were living in forests. Okay, that is your Gurukulam. Question number 16. How is the role of a teacher, Guru, constructed in the Upanishadic tradition? A mere transmitter of information and facts. Option B, a strict disciplinarian focused on punishment. Option C, a guide who helps remove the darkness of self-ignorance and leads the student towards self-realization. Option D, a distant figure who only communicate through written texts. Let us click here for the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, a guide who helps remove the darkness of self-ignorance and lead the students towards self-realization. Question number 17. Why did Buddha and Mahavira choose to teach in local languages like Prakrit instead of Sanskrit? 4 options. They did not know how to speak Sanskrit. Option B, they believed it was important to teach people in a language they could easily understand. Option C, Sanskrit was forbidden for religious teaching at the time. Option D, local languages had a richer vocabulary and philosophical concepts. Let us click here for the correct answer. Correct option is option B. They believed it was important to teach people in a language they could easily understand. So this is Prakriti language. What does the term Gurukulam, the Upanishadic center of learning, mean? I already explained you earlier, just 2 minutes before. In our ancient India, Gurus were living in forests. They were having a small house, 4 to 5 cows. Guru and his family. That is called Gurukulam. My kulam means me and my family. Gurukulam means teacher's kulam. Kulam means family. What does the term Gurukulam, the Upanishadic center of learning, means? Option A, house of knowledge, the family of Guru, place of meditation, school for the wise. Gurukulam is family for the Guru, family of the Gurus. Anyhow, what the correct answer? Let's click here. Option B, the family of the Guru. Option 19, which Upanishad presents its teachings in the form of a dialogue between the student Nachiketa and Yama, the god of the death? See, if I explain this story, it will be 1 hour. Nachiketa and Yama, absolutely a good story. Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Isa Upanishad, Chanda Yoga Upanishad. So correct answer is option B, Katha Upanishad. Dialogue between, see, question will be like this. What is Katha Upanishad? Options will be like that. The conversation between Nachiketa and Yama, the conversation between Vishnu and Narad, the conversation between you and me, like that options will come. So you have to write the correct answer is Nachiketa and Yama, the god of death. One picture was there, that Mehu Yam. Question number 20. What fundamental quality must a student, Shishya, possess when approaching a teacher according to Upanishadic teaching? I told you, no, in Gurukulam, small house, chota sa ghar, 2-4 गाय, students go to the Gurukulam for teaching purposes, to learn something about Veda, about Upanishad, about how to fight, how to. However, 4 options are: option A, arrogance and self-confidence, humility, curiosity, and a willingness to question and solve. Option C, a desire for material wealth. Option D, blind obedience without any questioning. The correct answer is option B, humility, curiosity, and a willingness to question and solve. My dear students, practice all these MCQs. You must qualify. If you want, you just comment. I will give you the PDF for practice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.